Assalamualaikum. Hello everybody. Good morning. How are you today? My name is Mr. Haikal and I will be your teacher in this day. Okay, have you ever heard about the descriptive text? Alright, I will explain it to you.
What is descriptive text? Descriptive text is writing that explains something, thing that can be explained in the form of object, place, food, public figure, as well as animal and plants. Main goal and features of the descriptive text. The goal of descriptive text is for giving information about something to the readers. Then, the main feature of descriptive text is can be known from the kind of information that was delivered in the text which describe about something. Also, there are several main characteristics. The first one is usually using simple present tense. Then the second one, the verb is often used is attributive verb or RM is. Then many adjectives used in text. For example, big, luxury, relief. Then when read the text, the reader can imagine the object which represented in the text. And additionally, the descriptive text can be found in newspaper, magazine, advertisement, and more. Next, structure of descriptive text. The descriptive text has two main structures. There are the first one, identification. This section contains an introduction about object, human, building, place, animal, plant, and more in the text. Then, description. This section is the main section where we can find all the characteristic of the object to be a topic of the descriptive text. Next, the language features. There are several language features of the descriptive text. The first one is specific participant, which has a certain object is not common and unique. Only one, for example, my cat, my house, Borobudur Temple, and Uncle Jim. Then the second one is the use of adjective or an adjective to clarify the noun. For example, gigantic, quiet, smart, luxury. And then the use of simple present tense. The sentence pattern used is simple present tense because it tells about the fact of the object. And then the last one, the use of action verb which the verb that show an activity. For example, climb, run, sleep, walk, cut, and jump. And then this is the several example of adjective. You can see this. Okay, next. Okay, this is the example of descriptive text. This descriptive text tell about the Borobudur temple. Okay, the Borobudur temple is an historical building in Indonesia. It is considered to be world largest Buddhist temple for blah blah blah. This is the identification which contain the introduction about this object. And then the second one is description, which contain the main section, so we can find all the characteristic of this of the Borobudur temple, such as consists of six square floor and three circular floor, which arrange accordingly and make it to be stair-like layer that you have to climb one by next. So this is the several relevant tenses in the descriptive text. The first one is simple future tense. The simple future tense is a tense which used for showing upcoming event or will occur in the future. The first one is the positive simple future tense. The formula of the positive tense is in here. You can see in here: subject plus will plus verb one and plus subject. And then the negative one: subject plus will plus not plus verb one and object. And interrogative: will, subject, verb one and object. For example, uh, in positive sentence, you will find stairwell. And then in the negative one, you will not find stairwell. And then the interrogative one, will you find stairwell? Then the simple present tense. The simple present tense is the tense used when an event is taking place at this time. The simple present tense is divided into two parts. The first one is verbal and the second one is nominal. Okay, let's talk about the verbal one. The verbal one is have the positive verbal one. I mean, I have formula subject plus verb one. Additionally, by as or as plus subject, and then the negative one is subject plus do plus doesn't and plus verb one and plus subject. And then the interrogative one, do's or do plus subject and plus verb one and plus subject. For example, in the positive one, he goes to Borobudur temple. And then the negative one is he doesn't go to Borobudur temple. And then the interrogative one, does he go to Borobudur temple? And the nominal one. The nominal one has a positive formula subject plus to be am is are plus adjective plus adverb plus or adverb. Then the negative one. The negative one is has formula subject plus to be am is are plus not plus adverb. And then the interrogative one is to be am is are plus subject plus adjective or adverb plus and then by uh, question mark. Examples: Borobudur is historical building is the positive one, and then Borobudur is not historical building is the negative one, and then is Borobudur historical building is interrogative one. Then in the last, I hope you guys can understand this material which I explained in this morning. And see you. Bye bye.